Have you been sick of your joint pains, stiffness, swelling and redness? Do you consume more medication than you see results from your arthritis? This is your sign to stop relying on medications alone. Overcome the disease by involving yoga in your daily regime. First, let's get into the roots of arthritis. So what is arthritis? Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints, which takes place due to old age and also due to obesity. The common symptoms of arthritis are pain, stiffness, swelling, redness, and difficulty in mobility. Smoking, stress, and excessive alcohol consumption are some of the lifestyle habits that can lead to arthritis. When you adopt these yoga poses, I'll suggest avoiding these habits for evident results that will help in treating with arthritis. Let's start with Virabhadrasana or warrior pose. Virabhadrasana promotes joint health. If people with arthritis do not exercise, it will become a downward spiral for the patient and cause more pain and disability. To get into this pose, start with your legs wide apart. Turn the right toes out and the left toes in. Bend the right knee as if doing a lunge and stop when the right knee is over the right ankle. Facing forward, lift your arms up to shoulder level. Look at your right fingertips. Hold this asana for 30 seconds and release. Repeat the same with the other side. Remember the posture, that is, your shoulders should remain above your hips. Inhale and exhale gently. What mistakes can you avoid while doing this asana? Do not let your bent knee cross the ankle as it can cause injury. Don't let the arms go above the shoulders. Anybody can practice this pose as long as they don't have ankle issues. This asana is extremely helpful for arthritis patients as it has got many benefits. It can be done as a warm-up exercise for the patient as it is essential for them to exercise. Repeat this asana 3 times with breaks of 30 seconds between each asana. We will move forward with the second asana, which is Setubandhasana or bridge pose. The pose stretches the back muscles, chest, neck and spine. It helps in relieving back pain, it helps strengthen the glutes, improves blood circulation, relieves migraines. To do this asana, lie down on your back and bend your legs. As the name suggests, make a bridge using your legs. Place your fingertips to touch your heels and then take one step forward. Then press your feet into the mat and send your hips slowly up to the ceiling. Interlock your fingers on the mat under your buttocks and hold it there for 30 seconds. In every inhale, reach the hips up to the ceiling. In every exhale, reach your chest to your chin. You can take support of the brick and place it under your tailbone if needed. Remember, don't put all your weight on the outer edges of your feet. Also, do not look left or right while you are in the position. Relax your head, look straight up at the ceiling, hold this position for 30 seconds and repeat twice. Do not let the knees fall out. The knees should be facing the ceiling. This asana can be done by anybody except those who have acute knee or neck pain. With these asanas, we're done for the day. Remember to rest up between these asanas and don't force yourself into any posture. Do try these poses if you have arthritis and follow for more such helpful videos.